Number one dad. Easy bit, come out, make camera see you well.
Cheers.
Number one dad. Who you don't give belly? Who you don't give belly?
Not necessarily better now.
Why you call wear number one dad?
At least we appreciate that is really out there now. At least, you know, people like the pastor here and the rest of them, you know what I'm saying?
Are you trying to drag me into this? Are you trying to put me in this matter?
Anyway, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show for today. Will be the 4th of September 2015. My name is Nanedu. Katim not there for one reason or the other. She physically work enter inside studio. Hopefully, Easy bit down there around or scoff and I don't see him. And then the owner of who they knock that in? And then the owner of Pastor Iyaye, done the around for inside studio too. Pastor, welcome, sir.
Evening, Nedu.
Welcome, sir.
Happy New Week.
And the same to you. Happy New Month.
Oh yes, that's true.
Yeah, true. Happy New Month.
An Ember month.
An Ember month.
Why not to? What be Ember?
Now people they carry for head now.
Okay.
Anything will happen and they go say na Ember.
Ember month.
Na Ember month. Anyway, today for the night show, we've been supposed to continue topic, but we'll go shift small, enter healing from
cheating.
Healing from cheating. I know say some of you go sit up now. They don't cheat on you before and you never come back to your original self. Today you are going to get healing.
Or you don't cheat person before.
You don't.
No, cheater and cheatee we go.
There's a cheater and cheatee. Yeah. Or you don't cheat on person before. Things never too arrange well. When we come back, we'll go discuss them. But again, one special song where I like so much, I don't forget this song. And when I see him today, I say, no. We must play this song today. Mona Chimso, it mean me and God follow. Don't come mighty and I sing that song. Moku watch that video. When we come back, Pastor Yan will continue proper with the topic, healing from cheating. You are the cheater or the cheatee. So now welcome back on Saturday Night Show. Our topic for today, as Pastor Yan don't sit there for his studio, now healing from cheating. Either now you the cheat on or you are the cheatee. No, you are the cheater.
Cheater and cheatee.
Cheater and cheatee. Now you the cheat on or now you cheat person. Over to me, Pastor Yan.
All right. Good evening. So what we're going to talk today in a very important subject. Easy be don't look me one kind look. So I don't say easy don't ready to learn. I have to use it easy to introduce the matter. You know. So 2 weeks ago we do this thing. We don't do this thing for Twitter, and we see the kind of response where we get. So we just feel to make we teach them, and then so if we finish, now Stevie check them on Twitter hashtag healing from cheating. So first of all, make we just start with the concept of human nature and relationships and how they break. Nothing for this universe they perfect. God created everything perfect, but man, when no day perfect, can't dey inside perfect world. So man perceptions different from God own perceptions. So make I start to explain them like this. Accidents, over 75% of accidents where don't happen headlong collision, driver they survive. And what they don't discover be say last minute driver go turn the car
he
like
go turn the other side
himself. Even if na baby day beside him, even if na in wife, even if na in twin. Not just, it's called survival instincts. So every human being get an iota of selfishness inside them.
At least one drop.
Every human being. When they wake you up, when you never want to wake up. When you talk, no be say morning never reach. Now be say you want still sleep, but they don't wake you up. So now your selfishness, they play out. You know, say, and the truth we say, once we get proper awareness, we're going to say some of these things not as bad as we think. When 2 children fall inside water, one na your own, one na your neighbor.
You go first save your own.
No be say you me say you know like your neighbor pikino. You could just call your own pig, make it stretch your hand first, then make it hold. I know they talk this in a bad way, but I know they talk natural human instincts. So sometimes, most times, human nature, we call them for English self-preservation. We they want to protect ourselves, even though we know, say we're supposed to protect the other person, but we they want to protect ourselves. Now, for relationships, this same thing too they happen. And when it happen, or when we no prepare, we no understand how it happen, we know if we forgive ourselves, and we know if we forgive the person where vex us. So we go start with, which one make we start with?
Cheater.
The cheater or the
cheatee.
cheatee. No, we start from cheater.
Okay, cheater.
Cheater. So you were cheat. Abi, cheater na be you wey cheat.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, person will cheat. Then the person where they cheat on, be cheating.
Okay, so we go start with the cheater. Now, when person do something where they wrong and no consequence, or in feel say no see any consequence, two things they happen. Either the guilt go cause him, make you run away from duty when you get, or you go tell and say, man, you escape with this thing, you go feed do am again. Two things. So when it happened the first time and nobody know, you escape. It happened the second time and nobody know. Happened the third time, you go come feel say you don't be expert for the matter. And once you begin to do that, you go begin erode your own emotional bank to appreciate your relationship with the other person. So to start this thing, we go talk like this. When you cheat on person and he no haunt you, or you just cover them, what you don't do be say, you don't set the foundation to they disrespect the person tomorrow. Like I talk them again. When you cheat on person and your mind no bother you, you know what, you know if you say you do anything wrong, you arrange, you package yourself, you dodge and you escape. You don't set the you don't lay the foundation to disrespect the person tomorrow. Whether you be man or whether you be woman. When you begin cheat, when somebody else begin take intimacy, time, affection, love from the person where you say you love, now the foundation of disrespect be that. Now there you don't start. So we think going to happen moving forward. If you never ever talk, if you never ever own up, now you could just begin to use other things apart from your real emotions to the cover up for your disrespect.
But Pastor, if you own up, you go cause wahala now. If you cheat on person, where the person don't know, and according to what you talk, you guys own up, tell the person.
No. You see, now you don't talk, say you guys own up. I talk that one. So this I know. See, so we're gonna continue. I like the way some people don't ask that question already for their mind, so they don't already talk within their mind. But you see, when you already one day own up, it means that the matter don't be critical. Because I don't talk throughout this conversation now. I don't talk own up, but the human mind, because of the way I take talker, I empathize with the person they cheat on. So the person where cheat go begin feel bad, go want talk, what you don't do exactly now. So if we feel explain them properly, like we don't explain them now, and you don't get this kind of response, it means say you know say what you do.
No good.
No good. But like we don't start from the beginning. If you know define them, or if you know find a way to put this thing out properly, because you escape from them, human nature. Because nobody know, nothing happen. Now only because you be disciplined person, now you no go do them again.
Okay.
You know when they catch thief, no be say if they cry or they feel bad first because
they catch them.
Yes. The reason they cry, don't be say in be thief. Now because they catch them. If they no catch them, no be that discussion they're going to get.
If they think the next one,
yes, the next one when you go do. You know, when you say that devil, you know, what did they talk? They say, in no playing game well, now then catch up. So not devil, you know, FBM. So it can't be him. And once man learn to push blame, and I they call them blame game. When they catch you, you go say, man, say that this useless man, just they frustrate me. And once people know if you own up to their mistakes, they no go ever heal from them. And so for the cheater, if you know if it admit say what you do they wrong, if you feel justify them, you and your boys go laugh or you and your girls go laugh, say na mugu, say she be fool, say she don't know anything. Whether you know him or not, not only a matter of time before you go cheat again. Because for your mind, the person where they catch you, now the mugu, now you were sharp.
You the form sharp guy.
Now you were sharp. So as I don't hail you now, not happy where you day, make I come balance and well. If you continue to cheat, what you go do be say you go begin this sloppy. And what it mean say this sloppy be say because you disrespect the person, you go to drop your guard, say now you no go now fool, you no go no. So you go begin do things, you know. I don't see people where the woman say, I know say you know be today you begin cheat. I know say that 7 years ago you cheat, but I just they look you to say you go get common sense. You know, own up. I don't talk to people where the husband know. He don't know, but for his own sanity. Now you just say, make I just give her the benefit of doubt. Because the day I go pull this plug, I no go look back. And he no go fit. And the longer it day, and the longer the husband or the wife know. Make I give you one example. One man come back, in no planning waka well, leaving a house address where in waka go. right? Leave house address, leave. So, they can't find them for house. Now the wife opened door. So the person who find them come, ask for them. The wife know. As he open door, see him, he know, say, my husband don't go leave name and number outside.
Somewhere.
They don't find them, come out. So she open, say, no problem. It's no problem. Make it enter house. Boil water for her, make it bath. Give her guest room, give her food.
Una woman I can't find
Yes.
your
You know, give it. That's why I talk say when you say you don't learn this thing, and then you come begin this sloppy. Give her food, give her not talk anything. Cook for her. When the husband come back, follow and talk, laugh. Say, hey, before we go sleep, please check guest room, eh? Person come see you. Just check who the person be, then come room. So man open door now. You don't fit, it's just a look. What are you doing here? He said, should be any time. You give me address. Say, you want to kill me? You want to kill me? First thing in the morning, you are going. He enter room. The wife don't, the wife don't off lights, face the other side. They know born and well to tap and say, nah, you leave matter like that. Just wear pajamas, climb bed for your own corner, just lie down. 4 a.m. he jump up, go there, give the young lady money. Say, carry your wallet. They go, I know what. The wife wake up, bath children, no talk anything about the matter. Reach 3 months. Man, launch brand new car for wife. Wife say, I no ask you, but as you give me,
I go collect her.
Give me car key. And the thing no end though. As you no talk, you go come to look for ways to appease the gods. Now the thing is, see, cheaters don't understand this matter. When they don't catch you like this, and they know, that woman played that game well. She no talk, she no ever bring up that matter again. Anything where I ask them, they give them. Anything where I say they go change school, say it's okay. Say we will change the school. The children say we will change. Say this house, say we want a bigger house. We will get a bigger house. It's just they look at. So every time you want to make conversation with them, or then they call, you don't look at. Maybe they raise in voice. I'm just they look at. See, you're raising your voice. They say, so you're raising your voice. They said, see, the reason why he hold on like that, because the man never can get common sense, get conversation, resolve that situation. See, cheating not necessarily means say you be devil, but it means say for one small moment, that your real relationship no dey as important to you as that time where you play. No mean say you hate your wife or your husband. And I need people to understand this. Now, I not talk say it dey right, but when it happen, as it don't happen like that, it don't happen. It just means say, now you know, say very small distraction go comot you from you don't talk say I love you, don't declare in front of our parents, you don't prostrate. But one small tangerine, one university, one small boy just distract you. What thing you supposed to do then not to just before they begin beat you, not to beat yourself. Because if you know resolve them, some people say, well, make her no talk. The second hard partner, what if the partner know?
Hey!
And he no talk.
So
for your mind, you be bado.
You don't know see
yes, they just they look you, they laugh. You go say, this is my colleague at work, he just look you. My colleague now.
Our colleague. Our colleague.
They say they should come and greet us. So you talk and you go to form serious. Maybe your younger brother misbehave. You dey warn them. They just sit down for chair, they look you. See, my husband, you dey one person, no. Hey. So this boy thing they do now, they bad. Okay. You know certain they do they bad. You know, not be your brother they talk to now. That's conversation now. You know certain they do they bad. You know certain your brother they do they bad. No problem. At least you know. Say you know, say what your brother they do they bad. No problem. And my husband, it's okay. Emeka, what you do they bad. Your brother know. Say what you they do. Then they tell you something, And if you don't deal with them, you could just throw caution to the wind. Some people don't know, say they don't catch them. Now, why they know they're just free? They never discussed them before, but they don't know. Say those where they house don't know. They don't send them text, or they just open email down, keep for them. Say, or just forward them to you. Maybe you make mistake, go down, then forward the mail back to you. Now you can't see who send them to you. Can't say now your husband or now your wife. Say if I just cover this thing well now, they just cover them. They delete them when you talk finish, just and then you come back house, they don't cook for you. They don't cook, give you food. Say no problem. So how was your day?
He get one story where I hear one time. He get one story where I hear one time. We say, like say they call you and take do film. What they say on a day to wedding, what they do bachelor's night or something, something like. Say the man can't catch the man they look for in best man, supposedly best man. They search. No, say the wife come the hotel where they do the bachelor's eve. He can't go see he just open door. Just see the best man and his wife, they enjoy themselves. He says he open the door, then see him. Now him lock the door. Go back downstairs. They continue the bachelor's eve where they do. He said the man, the best man come down, then continue bachelor's eve. He not talk anything. The next day for wedding, wife wear wedding gown, come. He not talk anything. And marry, but he say the man not touch the woman. Like this, her food, he not chop am. They say for months, human they die. They die. You go they beg when they come beg the husband, come beg my husband. When they come meet the husband, the husband say, I don't know what you tell them what you do now. Where are they? I don't know what they talk about. Explain. They say the man doing that. He have close for 3 years or so. I've been at 6 months. I don't know, but he takes before finally they come arrange family sit down. Where the girl come confess.
You see that at that time now, the thing don't scatter finish. So what will they talk now? They say, as it don't happen so, one of the easiest ways to deal with them, not to resolve them immediately. Because you don't know, people they talk say, well, they don't catch me. What if they catch you, but they expect say, I should be good boy, where you they claim. Make I know as you say be bad, but a mistake. So because you be real good boy, you go talk.
What if they catch you? You don't know, so they don't catch you. You see the bad guy.
Yes, and for your mind, see, they look you, say, so for this one mind now. So when you come, say, I love you. Because the truth be say, you actually love the woman or you love the man. And the reason why we start with the cheater, so that people go understand, say, human beings, they make mistake. Once we don't understand, once we don't even feel accept that, say we feel make mistake. Now there we go put ourselves for trouble. Once you play perfection card, now then you go enter trouble. And this one not me say, please make everybody when they hear me understand, say, we not talk say it's okay to cheat. We're just saying that when you make mistake, once that mistake don't happen, it don't happen. The real issue now, moving forward, is it going to be a wonderful experience or is it going to be torment? How you go deal with them. And if you know fit level up, because the reason why we start this one first, because we go come enter the chiti. Because now the chiti now, self go help. Forgiveness, make I just talk some before we reach there. Forgiveness has nothing to do with the offender, but the offended. If you are not able to forgive, forgiveness has nothing to do with the offender, but about the offended. Because if sometimes people were done thief before, but because they forgive them, now then they party hard past the person where they thief from. From tomorrow, that one come they more careful. Go they lock them every morning, but the person where they don't forgive them, he can go easily move on with his life than the person where he pain. For instance, you enter the open door, and then you see your best friend, girl, with your husband, and then she don't come tell you sorry. Say get out of my sight. Tomorrow she go marry. Tomorrow she go get her life. But if you never deal with them, you and your husband, anytime anybody mention the name of that girl,
now while I go
even if not be the girl, even if not in colleague for work, so that now for cheater, but for cheater, own up, say you don't make mistake. Once we realize, say
own up to yourself.
Yes, first. So when they talk to cheater, own up, say look, this thing no fresh. If you don't talk, say I love you, and there's somebody else come monkey with you, just retrace your step back. What I do no just make sense.
Anyway, more bass, more checking it for you. Want to come back, we'll continue. It's a lot of the topic we will discuss today. Healing from cheating. The cheater and the cheatee. You are going to get healed. When they come back on top of the light show.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.